Yeah. you know, everything can't be what you want it to be, but hey, yeah.
I like the time she spends with me. I'm on that girl, I can see that I'm on that girl. I know that she don't like to leave, but she's my study buddy. But she's my study buddy.
Yeah.
But she's my study buddy.
Okay, so where do I start? Shorty called my eye in the party by surprise. I asked my nigga, he said, yeah, I remember. I think her name was Nisha, I ain't seen her since September. She in some of your class for real? I must have missed her. But Shorty was real fly, 5'5", brown eyes. Had a nice swag, make a nigga say dag. One of them type of girls, if you had it, you could brag. So I approached her like, hey miss, what's your interest? Like, what makes you smile? Can we chill for a while? Somewhere quiet with none of your friends around. Maybe after class, mama, how does that sound? And she replied like, I don't know you, baby. And if this leaks out, what my friends gon' think? I said it's cool where you tryna come from, but we can keep it on the low. Bring your books when you come.
I like the time she spends with me. I'm on that girl, I can see that I'm on that girl. I know that she don't like to leave, but she's my study buddy. But she's my study buddy. But she's my study buddy.
You wanna keep it on the low, keep people out of our business. Ain't nobody gotta know. He say, she say, people on three-way, Facebook, MySpace, all of that's child's play. Only thing I'm worried about is our thing and all the pleasure that brings. Shorty been kicking it with me for a couple of weeks and ain't nothing leak out of the doorway. Okay, I opened up a book and she told me about her history. Said she dealt with guys but nothing was hers officially. So I replied like, hey, you choosing the wrong ones. Got to tell you what it is up front is what you want. Like all I want is a buddy. None of that lovey-dovey, well maybe a little. Someone I can chill with and study. And if anything happens, let it. Don't even sweat it, cause I study you for extra credit. Bet it.
Time she spends with me.
I like the time she spends with me.
That girl, I can see that I'm on
She
that
know it too.
I know that she don't like to leave.
She don't like to leave,
but she's my study buddy.
we just study, you know?
But she's my study buddy.
Yeah.
But she's my study buddy.
But you know, baby, it's like, we can keep doing this, it's whatever you wanna do, you know? I mean, I know we both busy and everything, so, you know, you don't want all these people to get involved, so we just keep it like this, you know? Keep it a honey with me, you know? Yeah.